camera set up right, but when you get to this planet and you come down, come to this tube which is closed, and there's a serious glitch. It's also on. Oops. There's you can there you go. You can see it. It's also on the other one. Not sure if it's on the other side of the cave. But when you get to that one, you can see it as well. And I just can't believe after seeing him on Resistance and seeing how good this game is, something like that would make it through into the final product.